In the last episode in this series where I'm building the Crocodile guitar, I took you with me to the lumber yard as I purchased all the wood that I'm going to use for this guitar build. What that means for this episode is I need to prepare all the blanks. And that means I've got to make the body blank, the top blank, the neck blank, and the fretboard blank. So I got a lot of blanks to do. Let's jump in and get started. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video, I would encourage you to stop what you're doing right now and click that thumbs up button down below. It doesn't cost you anything and it really helps to support my channel. But if you want to take your support to the next level, you can click the thanks button and leave a tip in the amount that you think is fair. Also, you can click the join button and become a member of my channel. And as a member, you'll have access to exclusive members-only content, which are videos just like the one you're watching, but with a lot more detail, a lot more tips and tricks and all kinds of guitar building secrets. And best of all, no ads. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, so I've got all the blanks ready to go. Got the top blank, and this is maple. This is what I'll carve the crocodile skin texture into. I've got the base, which is mahogany. Then I've got this nice piece of flame maple, which I will use for the fretboard. And then this big piece of maple, which I'll use to carve the neck. Hopefully that's going to happen in the next episode. That's when I'm going to start carving everything out. So I hope you've enjoyed this episode. If so, you know the drill. Click the thumbs up button, show me your support. And as always, until the next episode, take care, stay safe, and I hope you'll be back for more of these guitar building videos.